Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and we'll bring you another amazing video today. Today we're going to bring you some circuit training, a 9-round circuit routine, combination of punching techniques with push-ups. It's a great program for cardio and punching power to help you with your Wing Chun. But before we go there, I need you to hit the boxes. Click them to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Have a great day.
So this is our first circuit routine when it comes to training. It's one of our pre-fight routines. It's 9 3-minute rounds composed of calisthenics and punching techniques. So it's 3 minutes on and then a minute off. So each routine is going to start with a series of push-ups, 20 push-ups, followed by whatever is remnant of your 3 minutes to the punching combination that we're going to work on. So the first round is really simple. Keith's going to just demonstrate 3 of each push-up. So he's going to demonstrate, get down on the floor. I want 3 good push-ups. All right, you want to come all the way up and all the way down. Just simple, demonstrate for 3 reps. Pop up. So he would finish the 3 reps. Meanwhile, right now, the counter is running on. Finishes the 3 reps. Half step forward, chain punch, and reset. Half step forward, chain punch, and reset. One more time. So the remnants of the 3 minutes, what I would do is when I'm doing the routine, I'll do 10 left, 10 right, 10 left, and 10 right. So again, round 1 for 3 minutes, set the timer, clip off 20 good push-ups. After that, jump up, finish the rest of the round with half-step chain punching. So round 2, remember it's a 3-minute round. So this next round, Keith's going to demonstrate knuckle push-ups. We're going to keep the elbows tight to the body, going all the way up and all the way down on your fists. So remember, the count is going to be a 20 count. Just demonstrate 3 good ones for me. All the way up, all the way down. 2, 1 more. 3, stand. Remember, your count will be 20. So, orthodox position, you're going to step up, jab, cross. Shoot the jab and the cross and reset. Jab and cross, and that's the remnants of this 3 minutes. So it should take you about 2 minutes of good jab cross. This is round 2. So round 3, again, 3-minute round. And this one, your push-ups is going to be 1 palm. So it doesn't matter whether you start left palm, right fist, or right palm, left fist. Here, Keith's going to start with a left palm and a right fist. And the count here is 20 push-ups. All right? Tight to the body, focusing on the triceps. Okay, when he comes up, he's going to step. And now randomly, you're either going to use a rear hand or a lead hand for a lop sal punch. Random attack, stepping off the line, lop and punch. Lop and punch. And here you want to shadow box and pick which ones you're working with. So it's a random combination of front hand and rear hand lop sal punch. So moving on, again, whatever you did in the last one, push-ups, reverse it. So now we're going to work a left fist and a right palm, just for demo purposes. Then after that, lead hand to rear hand is going to be a Bu-sal punch or a Bu-sal punch random attack. So Keith, push-ups, nice and clean, back straight, head up. Remember, your count is 20. You're going to pop off the floor for the remnant of 3 minutes and visualize the punches. Rear hand or lead hand, it doesn't matter. Visualize straight and round punches, applying the Bu-sal and punch. Remember, this is the remnants of the 3-minute round. Start slow and work into a good sweat. Okay, a little bit more than halfway home, round 5. We're going to go back to regular push-ups for 20. And then we're going to, your jump up technique is going to be a jab, an uppercut, and follow it in with an elbow. Keith? Regular push-ups, nice and clean. 3. Remember, your count off is 20. We're going to jump back up, shoot the jab, the uppercut, and then follow up with a horizontal elbow. Again, so it's going to be a jab, an uppercut, horizontal elbow. My goal in this 2 minutes, I like to do 10 on each side, just rotate back and forth to finish out the 2 minutes. Jab, uppercut, and elbow. Again, build it up for some time, get your conditioning, your cardio. You can also do this routine on a bag or with a partner with focus mitts, alternating back and forth. Okay, round 6. In round 6 here, we're going to work on a good old one, clap push-ups. From the clap push-ups, we're going to follow up with an uppercut, to a hook, to a back fist. So Keith, drop them down, come up, clap push-ups. Pop off the floor. Set up in your stance, throw your uppercut, your hook, and your back fist. So again, the remnants of the 2 minutes. Train reps. You can just alternate sides. Like I said, I like to do sets of 10. Just do it as you feel comfortable. So again, everybody's good. It's an uppercut, a hook, and a back fist. So these become a little bit more arduous. These are alternate hand push-ups. Ideally, you're going to do 10 on one side, then switch and go to 10 to the other. After that, it's going to be a jab, an uppercut, and a hook, and then a good rhythm step to the other side, a jab, an uppercut, and a hook for the remnants of the 2 minutes. Keith, can you do 2 on each side? So he's going to put his left side forward, 2 good push-ups, 1 and 2, come back up, switch, 2 good push-ups, 1 and 2. Remember, there's 10 count on each side. Pop up, shoot the jab, follow the uppercut, the hook, bounce step, come back in, other side, jab, uppercut, and hook. An alternate side, so the remnants of the 2 minutes. So here, moving into round 8, come on, 2 more rounds left. So we're gonna start here with a regular width, or we wanna call them close width push-up. Pop your rep out, walk it out to a wide grip push-up. Total of 20 reps, alternating between close and wide. Your combination is gonna be a jab, a cross, fall back for the uppercut, throw the hook. All right, and then you can do sets of 10 each side, or if you want to use the bounce step, I'll leave that up to you. So Keith, give me 2 and 2. So close grip, all the way down, all the way up. Come out, walk it out wide. All the way down, all the way up, walk it in. All the way down, all the way up, walk it out. All the way down, all the way up. And pop up for the remnants of the 2 minutes. It's a jab, a cross, follow up uppercut, and hook. One more time. It's a jab, a cross, pull back for the uppercut, and the hook. Good.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.